Hey Dan, this is Joe with Metro Design. I'm shooting this video for you as promised. I just wanted to point out 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return start bringing in those leads you're missing out on so you can build out this awesome business. Alright, so first things first, Google loves content. Content is king when it comes to Google. So they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. Now obviously that's a lot of words, right? And very few people are going to read it. But Google will, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, 757 words. Okay, so when we scroll, Google is reading each of your words on your home page, and they're coming up with about 757 words. Okay, so I definitely word count up to that 1,500 word goal Google likes to see. All right. Another thing you can do is add in keywords. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area, right? So once you start ranking for those keywords, you're obviously going to start bringing in a lot more customers, right? So definitely recommend adding as many keywords as you can. Another thing Google likes to see on ranked websites is big built-out websites. Okay, so that means the more pages you have, the better. Okay, and right now you're only sitting at 3 pages. So I definitely recommend adding as many pages as you can. For example, all of your services need to have their own page. Okay, right now you don't have any service pages, so I definitely recommend adding each of your services to their own page. Okay, and then on your service pages, Google is looking for content still, right? Content is king. So they're looking for about 500 to 700 words on your back pages, and it's really cool. You can add keywords to your back pages and rank your back pages on Google as well. So then you're taking up more spots on Google, which means your customers are going to be able to find you a lot easier, right? So if we go over here and take a look at your #1 competition in your area, you can see right away he has a lot of pages, right? Each of his services has their own page, okay? He has areas we serve, right? So he has a lot of pages, so his website is big and built out, just like Google likes to see. Okay, and then on his home page, he's doing a little over 1,000 words. Okay, so I definitely recommend, boosting your word count up to that 1,500 word goal Google likes to see, and you could, easily outrank this guy on his home page. Okay, and then as far as on his back pages, his service pages, the word count is a little over 800. Okay, so to beat him in this area, you're going to want to do, 800 to 900 words. Okay, does that make sense? We're trying to beat him in every area we can, so it makes it a lot easier for Google to choose you over him, right? Second thing is going to be the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is, right? Everybody knows once you get into the top 3, your phone's going to be ringing off the hook. Okay, but how do you get there, right? And how you get there is a lot of high-star reviews, right? Good pictures, good business description with keywords, but most importantly, citations. Okay, and citations are your business name, address, phone number on different websites. Okay, the more you have, it's going to be a lot easier for Google to rank you in the map pack. Okay, and then what are citation websites? So those are like Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, bbb.org. Okay, just to name a few. There's hundreds of citations out there up for grabs. So definitely recommend going out there and getting as many as you can and building your Google My Business profile so it's ready to rank #1. Lastly, we're going to talk about backlinks. Okay, backlinks are super important. This is what's going to help you rank on Google. If you have good quality backlinks, this is what's going to help you rank on Google a lot faster. Okay, you can have a perfect website, but if you don't have backlinks pushing power to your website is just going to stay at the bottom and nobody's ever going to see it. Okay, so super important, backlinks. And then backlinks is basically like a popularity contest, right? So the more websites you have pointing back to you through backlinks, Google thinks you are more of a credible source, so they're going to push you to the top, right? And that makes sense. So as you can see, your #1 competition has 133 different websites pointing back to him through backlinks, right? So Google thinks this guy is the most credible roofing company in this area, so that's why he's ranked #1. Okay, remember when it comes to backlinks, quality over quantity. Okay, and that means, 133 looks like a lot of websites pointing back to him, but if you go out there and get 70 good quality backlinks, I mean that may be all you need to outrank this guy. Okay, so quality over quantity. You can also see how many keywords he's ranking for. Remember, keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area. Okay, so you definitely want to rank for as many as you can. Not all keywords are created equal. Some have higher search volume than others, and some are a lot easier to rank for than others. So remember, quality when hunting for keywords and quality over quantity when hunting for backlinks. Okay, and then here's your information right here, right? We can see the numbers have drastically changed. You only have 18 websites pointing back to you, right? So that's why Google doesn't think you are a very credible source compared to 166 websites pointing back to you, right? You can also see how many keywords you're ranking for. Only 12 compared to your competition who had almost 800. So that's why he's ranking #1. Cool. That's all I really wanted to show you was those 3 things. I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions or want any help on implementing these things I shared in this video. I look forward to hearing back from you on what you thought of the video. So go ahead and call or text me at 515-468-3039. I'll call you tomorrow just to make sure you receive the video. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.